Girls and boys, welcome to Girl on Guitar, OneRepublic, Serotonin. That's a good substance to have in your body. Anyway, we have a song here with two chords. It's pretty much the same through the entire song. We will look at the melody, we'll look at the strumming pattern, and that's it. So we're going clean here, no need for any capo. All right, so we're gonna start right into the chords. And that will be first the C, and then we're gonna use the F sus chord. So starting with C, it goes third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And the F sus goes third on D, open G, first B, and open E. So you just go back and forth between these two chords. We're gonna look at the melody first and then strumming pattern, and that's it. So for C, it goes like this. So that is to play third A together with first B. And if you have the full chord there, you can also hit more strings from the actual chord. It will just give more depth to it, okay? So anyway, the A and the B string are the important strings here to start with. So then open B, open G, and second D. That is one round. You're gonna play that for 4 rounds, so. All right, then you shift to the F chord, and you're gonna play like this. So important now is to have the second D string and to add on the third D string. So you don't have to pick 2 times here, you just hammer on with your fretboard hand. You hammer on, I suggest you hold it first with the mid finger here on the 2nd fret D string, and then you hammer on with your ring finger or so to get this grip. So. And then open E and first B. The first note there on the second D, to give that a little bit more depth like you did here for the C, you can give an open G kick there as well. So you pick the second D together with open G. So it sounds a bit more meatier, so to speak. So for 4 rounds as well, and that is the melody. All right, but maybe we'll go and play the strumming. That's a little bit more action and funnier sometimes, and you can also switch it up, and then you go back to C and play like this. All right. So it's a very simple strumming pattern. Grab the C, and one string around will be down, down, clap, down. Very easy. So down, down, clap, down. 4 string arounds per chord. So F and back. I just tried to freak out a little bit and I failed. I haven't tried it at all. So anyway, that is the different tools you need to have to handle OneRepublic's Serotonin song. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. And yeah, I work a lot here to satisfy you. Hope you enjoyed this specific tutorial. And if you did, give me a like on this one. And I hope to see you soon, very soon again. Till next time, play tuned.